Hi friends, Miss Darla here, and today we are going to be playing with bubbles! For our first activity, we will make a bubble snake. For this, you will need a cup full of soapy water and a toilet paper roll with a sock secured with a hair tie. Next, you will go ahead and dip your toilet paper roll into the water and blow. And there you have a cool bubble snake! Look at the size of that thing! For our next experiment, you are going to need soap, pepper, a plate, and a little bit of water. To do this, you will first need to pour water onto the plate. Then you will sprinkle some pepper onto the water, and then taking your finger with a little bit of soap on it, place it right in the center of that pepper, and look at that! For our next experiment, we will be doing a bubble tower. For this, you will need a cup filled with soapy water and a straw. Take your straw and put it into the soapy water and blow. And look at that, you now have a huge soapy tower.